No legs, no problem. This evening, the story of a coach whose passion for swimming did not disappear after losing his legs to illness. Kean Morgan has more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
You don't lose a life, you lose a limb.
No prosthesis or crutches could stand between Everton Brown and his love for swimming. Mr. Brown, who's head coach of the DOLPHIN'S swim club, says he's living proof that you don't need legs to swim. He's been swimming since the age of 17, and more than 30 years later, his love for the sport has only gotten stronger.
I love the swimming. I try other work, but I find out that the swimming is the only thing that I love. So I started to coach. The first school that I coach is Arden High School, and from there I take it on and keep going, and here am I today.
Mr. Brown, who has been coaching children for over 20 years, says misfortune befell him in 2016, causing him to lose his left leg to diabetes.
When I come out of the hospital, I stay home for about probably a month, and I came at the pool. I dropped several times, and I get up back and I keep coaching.
He then lost the other leg last year. Reprogramming wasn't easy.
The limb that you lose, you have to compensate by stretching and working out, keep working out in the water to get back some form of resemblance.
Albeit, he persevered.
The mind is a powerful thing, because when you have it in your mind and you have the fight to press on, eventually you fight. You have the willpower to fight, so it become a practical thing to you.
It prepared me very well. I had a fear of the water, and now I don't.
Him teach me the basics and what for doing as swimming, and teach me lifeguard training.
Sometimes he can be called strict to the students, but I honestly think that strictness comes for a purpose so that he can keep us safe.
I think he has been doing a great job over there, so his accreditation and his resume speak for itself.
Mr. Brown coaches between 30 to 40 students from 7 different schools on weekdays at the National Stadium. He says his aim is to transform lives.
It's a joy to see when the child cannot swim. I take them from a beginner stage to competitive stage, and where they just come on crying and all those stuff, and you get them stop being afraid of the water, love the water, and be in the water is a real joy.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean Morgan.